Let's make a built-up neckline jacket together. This jacket does not overlap, so we're going to build our neckline up. We've measured our basic neckline, and all we have to do is to raise it up by the amount of height that we want. It could be 1 inch, 2 inches, 2.5 inches, depending on how you want it. Then we're going to mark our break point. That is where the neckline opening is going to stop before we start fixing our button. So connect it this way. Remember, this illustration is stopping at the waistline, so we're going to connect our armhole line to the bust points. Okay, and I'm going to tighten the armhole by 1.5 inches if it were to be a normal measurement, and I'll raise it up at the armhole by 1.5 inches, and that is where my new armhole is going to be starting. Okay, so I'll make sure I blend it properly. Now I'm going to transfer my bust dart to the armhole area. This will help to tighten it more because this is an armhole princess dart, so the sewing is going to come from the armhole to the waistline. So I'm going to close this part this way, close the two sides, and then we assume that we're sewing it from the armhole to the waistline, and that is how it's going to look so beautiful. After closing, this is what we have. So we're now going to open the center front up, and then we're going to mark where the opening is going to stop and fix